Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to redeem a Groupon gift card online. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Groupon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your Groupon account using your credentials. This will give you access to your account settings where you can manage your gift cards and balance. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see either your name or your profile initial displayed there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. This menu contains all the important settings and features related to your Groupon account. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on the option that says Redeem Gift Card. This is the specific feature that allows you to convert your physical or digital gift card into usable credit on your Groupon account, making it easier to shop for deals and experiences. Now you'll see a field where you need to enter your gift card code. Go ahead and type in the code from your gift card. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'll be entering an incorrect code to show you what happens if there's an error, but normally you would enter your actual gift card code here. Once you've entered the code, look just below the input field and you'll see a button that says Add to my bucks. Click on this button to process your gift card and add the balance to your account. This converts your gift card value into Groupon Bucks, which is the platform's credit system. After clicking the button, your gift card balance will appear as Groupon Bucks in your account. This credit can now be used toward any purchase on Groupon, giving you the flexibility to choose from thousands of deals whenever you're ready to shop. And that's it. You've successfully redeemed your Groupon gift card and the balance is now ready to use. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.